Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the important topic on chemical bonding. VSC pair theory, NB pair theory, Drago molecule. First, I discussed VSC pair theory. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Suppose example, water molecule OH2, two lone pair is there. Lone pair repulsion and lone pair bond pair repulsion. Lone pair bond pair repulsion is there, lone pair repulsion are there. This is the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. The valence shell VSC pair, two types. First, lone pair. Second is bond pair. Lone pairs, two types. One is stereochemically active. Another is stereochemically inactive. In case of stereochemically active lone pair, VSC pair theory active valid. In case of stereochemically inactive lone pair, VSC pair theory inactive. Stereochemically inactive lone pairs means suppose Drago molecules. Drago's molecule. What is Drago's molecule? Drago's molecule is that Drago's molecules means these molecules first central atom, third period or onwards. Second, side atom, small size and less electronegative. Like example, hydrogen. 3 number, must be present of lone pair. Then this molecule called Drago's molecule. Suppose example, PH3, XGH3, SH2. This is the third period element. This is the fifth period element. This is the third period element. And H atom. This is the Drago molecule. Drago's molecule in VSC pair inactive roles. Bond pair, two types of bond pair. Single bond pair and multiple bond pair. Multiple bond pair means double bond, triple bond. Now repulsion. Order, repulsion order, lone pair greater than lone pair, single bond pair greater than single bond pair. Second and more accurate, triple bond greater than lone pair greater than double bond greater than single bond. Example, Example is that suppose C H H H H P double bond O Cl 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 P lone pair Cl Cl Cl. The repulsion single bond repulsion, double bond single bond repulsion, and lone pair single bond repulsion. A single bond repulsion, single bond repulsion, single bond repulsion. This bond angle alpha, suppose example, this bond angle alpha, this bond angle beta, this bond angle gamma, this bond angle delta, this bond angle phi. The order of bond angle equal to lone pair single bond pair repulsion more, but this bond angle we are not visible due to this is not the shape of the molecule. Suppose water geometry is tetrahedral, but shape is that bend shape. H2O the tetrahedral and bend shaped, so lone pair is not visible. The bond angle order, the repulsion is the lone pair bond pair double bond pair single bond pair repulsion, single bond pair repulsion. The bond angle order, this is the beta is major due to repulsion more. The repulsion more, the bond angle is small, so phi is less. Then the gamma, then alpha. This is the bond angle order. Structure determination by steric number method. Steric number in half into valence plus minus A plus B equal to valence electrons on central atom, number of valence electron on central atom. M equal to number of monovalent electron on central monovalent electron atom. Suppose H X C equal to magnitude of cation, A equal to magnitude of anion. Suppose example PCl5, steric number equal to half phosphorus, number of valence 5, nitrogen family 5 plus 5 chlorine halogen, so 5 chlorine is 5, total half into 10 equal to 5 means S P P P D sp3, the sp3 hybridization. sp3d hybridization. Bond angle comparison is hybridization when hybridization sp3 bond angle 190 degree 28 minute, sp2 bond angle 120 degree, sp bond angle 180 degree, and drag OH molecule bond angle nearest equal to 90 degree. First bond angle comparison, we check hybridization. If hybridization same, then we check two rules. First of VSEPR, second NBEPR. NBEPR is valid for sp3 hybridization, and the NBEPR. First we discuss NBEPR theory. NBEPR theory. sp3 hybridization valid. The first central atom small, that is second period, and side atom large, means third period or onwards, like chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. or organic group like alkali, pH, bond COOH, etc. Example: OCl2, 3 lone pair is there. This repulsion is the NBEPR. This NBEPR repulsion, the bond angle greater than 190 degree 28 minute. Normal sp3 hybridization 2. Now let us check VSEPR. Rule 1: bond angle proportional to 1 by number of lone pair on central atom. Number of lone pair on central atom increase, bond angle decrease. Number of lone pair on central atom decrease, bond angle increase. Bond angle proportional to electronegativity of central atom. Central atom electronegativity increase, bond angle increase. Central atom electronegativity decrease, bond angle decrease. Bond angle proportional to 1 by electronegative of side atom. Side atom is more electronegative, then bond angle decrease. Side atom is less electronegative, bond angle increase. Then example: NH3, NCl3, NF3. The bond angle comparison. First we check hybridization. Check the steric number. Half into n, number of valence electron 5, 3 hydrogen plus 3, total 8. 8 by 2 equal to 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization. Then all NH3, NCl3, NF3 all are sp3 hybridization. Hybridization same. Number of lone pair hybridization. Number of lone pairs NH3, number of lone pairs 1, number of lone pair 1, number of lone pair 1, number of lone pairs 1, but number of lone pairs same. Now check NB pair. EPR. N is second pure element, hydrogen is small, no NB pair. N is second period, Cl is third period. This is NB pair valid. N is second period, AB is second period, no NB pair applied. NB pair is applied in NCl3. So bond angle 190 degree 28 minute greater. So NCl3 bond angle order NCl3 high, NCl3, then NF3 and NH3 we apply VSEPR. First, rule 1, number of lone pair. Rule 1, number of lone pair central atom, number of lone pair central atom 1. So rule 1 not. Rule 2, bond angle proportional to electronegativity central atom. Electronegativity central atom same, nitrogen. Rule 3, bond angle proportional to 1 by now electronegativity of side atom. Electronegativity side atom, fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. The side atom electronegativity increase, so bond angle decrease. So NCl3 greater than NH3 greater than NF3. NF3 less bond angle and NH3 the bond angle, accurate bond angle order. Another example, NH3 H2O CH4, both hybridization. Check hybridization. sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3, all are sp3 hybridization. Number of lone pair 1, number of lone pair 2, number of lone pair 0. VSEPR, NB, first check NB pair, all are sp3 hybridization. NB pair, applied the rule. Second period, hydrogen small size, no NB pair. Second period, hydrogen small size, no NB pair, and no lone pair, so NB pair is not possible. So there is no NB pair. Then check VSEPR. First check number of lone pair increase. Number of lone pair 1, number of pair 2. Number of lone pair increase, bond angle decrease. Show H2O less bond angle. H2O less bond angle. Then H2O less bond angle. Then NH3. CH4 no lone pair. So CH4 bond angle is high than NH3. So CH4 190 degree 28 minute. This is the accurate bond angle calculation. VSEPR theory, VSEPR rule 1, VSEPR rule 2, VSEPR rule 3. Then we check, first we check bond angle comparison, first we check hybridization, then lone pair, then NB pair, then VSEPR. VSEPR rule 1, rule 2, rule 3. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share. Thank you.